So, hello everyone, welcome back again to Cyber War Labs, and in this video guys, I'm gonna clear some doubts of those people like those who recently purchased the CH practical voucher, like from where to do the practicals, like from where to gain the hands-on experience, from where to get the lab access, because if you have seen that if you purchase only the CH practical voucher guys, you will not gonna get the CH engagement, which will be this one. Okay, you will not gonna get the global CH challenge where you will get the four machines, appendix machine A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you can say. So at if you not purchase a master voucher, you will not going to get the CH this one. Okay, global CH engage. So now people get confused from where to do the practice, from where to gain the hands-on experience for the practical exam. So let me clear you out guys, that it is not important to get the CH engage for the then only you will able to clear your CH practical exam. But still those people who purchase the master voucher, and if you have any doubts like is the engagements are enough to get clear the CH practical exam, so let me clear you out in a one shot guys. Then yes, if you properly prepare everything from the CH engagements, okay, all the four labs if you solve by yourself only, where you will challenge the DVWA, vulnerable applications, web application attack, then you will also perform the Linux attacks, privilege escalations, then there will be a Drupal, something like that. Okay, so if you prepare very well all that things, so yes, I can say that more than 99% is enough to clear the CH practical exam. Now for those people who don't have, okay, those people who don't have this lab access where they will gonna they will gonna do the practice. So what you can do, either you can install the machines. Let me tell you, in the exams you will gonna get the parrot machine, parrot latest version will be there, and the another machine will be Windows. Now three another machines will be there. First one will be Windows server, and second will be your Ubuntu machine, and third will be your Android machine. Now all that machine will be you cannot access remotely, sorry, you cannot access physically, which means like right now you can see I can access my Kali, I can access my Windows server, but in the exam you will not be able to access like this. You need to access remotely only. Okay, so just take an example. Now the main concern is if you don't have the practical labs, okay, if you didn't purchase the master voucher, and if you don't have that much of amount to purchase that, something like that, so no worry, what you can do, you can just download the parrot machine and a Windows server machine, Android machine. If you can see here, just a replacement of parrot, I am using the Kali, which is there is no something like any problem will create for me because I am already done my CH. But just to show you guys what you can do, you can just install all the machines in the virtual environment like Android, then your Windows server, then your Kali machines, or I will recommend you to go for the parrot. So you can just install the parrot machine and then your lab will be ready. Now very important thing, that from where you will set up that same environment. So for that I've already set up that something like same environment here. If you can see, all the files here are available which are available in the CH engagement. This has been created by me only. So what I can do, if you want, okay, if I want to show you, so look, all these files are available here, custom DDoS, then DDoS file, encoded face, all the Trojan files are available over here. And if I just come over here in my this one, so here you can see all the tools are available over here. Okay, so CH tools, and if I want to show you the same engagement slab, so here we go in the inets, this one. And if I want to show you only, let me show you first of all. Okay, just a second. Yeah, here we go. So right now here you can see it will gonna open sorry, not this one. Let me open localhost, sorry. Okay, my mistake, just a second. Yeah, now it will work. And here you can see we have this lab also. Okay, if I want to show you, just take an example, in the exam you will not gonna get any credentials. So like this, 1 is equals to 1, and here we go. So look, you will get everything like this. Okay, you will get the lab access like this from me. Okay, you will get all the SQL, you will be able to perform all the SQL injection attack, you will be able to perform the DVW attacks, then all the other attacks you will be able to perform. Now the concern is that from where you will get. So if you want this lab access, if you want all these tools of the CH, from here you can see those people who don't purchase the practical master voucher, you will not gonna get all these things. So what you can do, I've already created a server like this. If you want access of this, what I can do, if you want, you can just drop a comment in the comment section that yes, you need this lab, I will provide you this lab, but only the thing is that it will be paid. Okay, because I also because it's also hard for me to make something like that valuable. But the charges will not be very high. You will be able to afford, I will gonna provide the affordable prices. So if you want, you can just drop a comment. If you want this lab to do the hands-on practice and gain the practical experience, you can comment me. Okay. So in the in the end of the video, I want to just say one thing, that if you confuse that CH practical engagements are enough to clear the CH practical exam, so yes, it is more than enough to get clear your engagements. Okay, more than enough to clear your practical. Now for those people who don't have this practical or the master voucher didn't purchase, they can just comment me and I will gonna provide you the open VPN file, and you can just connect with my this system and you can do the practice. Okay, you can gain all the hands-on experience for the practical exam. Now one more important thing, guys, if you haven't purchased the voucher and if you're thinking to purchase the voucher, so I will never recommend you to go for the master voucher, because theory will not gonna teach you anything. If you really want to get the hands-on with practicals, and just only purchase the practical vouchers. And one more important thing, guys, if you think, okay, if you really think that the CH practical is more than enough to get the your dream job, then it is not false, guys, because you need to do more efforts than only not only CH practical will help you to get the job. Because in the CH practical, guys, you only gain knowledge about tools, you don't learn about how actually penetration testing works. Okay, so you need to learn, and you, if you really want to learn all that things, there are multiple websites are available to where you can just go and gain the free knowledge. But for as you know that in the India that HR demands CH practical voucher or CS certification, so you can just go for only the CH practical, don't go for the theory or master, because it's very costly, like 54,000 they charge you, and I don't think so this much is amount is worth for this certification. But still, if you want to go, then only go for the CH practical, don't go for the master one. That's my suggestion, that's my experience which I've seen. In my time I was not aware about all this thing, but now if I have something available, something knowledge I have, experience I have gained, so I'm sharing that same thing. Don't go for the master voucher. And if it's totally my personal suggestion, but if you want to go for the master, if you can go. And hope this video clear your all doubt that CH engagements are enough or not, and if you don't have the CH engagement, from where you can get. Okay, so in the next video we will see something more, and soon, very soon, we are going to upload the videos related to CPAINT V2 also, that those people who are done with the CH practical, now if they are preparing for the CPAINT, which is a advanced level of CH. Okay, so for that also I'm gonna start uploading the videos, and you can watch and you can suggest me your suggestions. Thank you for this video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, guys, because it's very hard for us to record a video after doing job also. We'll meet in the another video.